by where you are. So that's what really drives my curiosity. Yes? The most rewarding thing, let's start with the positive. So the most rewarding thing about being a chef is that usually when you are a chef, it means you have been in the industry for a long time. And therefore, you have true passion for cooking. And the satisfaction is that you live from your passion and for your passion. At the same time, it's nothing more rewarding than mentoring a team and also than feeding happy customers, happy clients. I think that's really what is the reward in our industry. It's an industry based on hospitality, so therefore we are here to serve. And we have to take pleasure in that. If you don't take pleasure in delivering not only food but an experience, therefore then it's not for you. The most challenging is on the beginning as a young cook. It's physical because not very young people have the habit of being on their feet for 15 hours, 16 hours. Not many people have the habit of being close to a stove that it's basically burning your face and your arms, and so that's very difficult. Also, it's a lot of heavy-duty pots and pans, and it's heavy lifting, and you feel it in the back, and so I think the physical aspect is a challenge. Also, the stress that you have as a cook is definitely a challenge, because every day as a chef, as a cook, even as a waiter, you have the pressure that at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, to serve an entire dining room. And the perfect dinner or perfect lunch is when you serve perfectly cooked food, delicious food, on the front of the right person, in a timely manner, in a clean plate. And when you have 100 person, like we have here, it's stressful.